Maurizio, does that feel like 2 points dropped today?
Yes, because I think until the 77 minutes when we conceded the first goal, I think was the game under control and we didn't concede too many chances to a team like Arsenal, that is amazing team that was fighting last season for the trophy, and I think this season improved with some players, also adding some players. And yes, I think disappointed because I think
Pochettino, the head coach of the Chelsea Football Club, congratulates his players for the incredible performance against the Arsenal Football Club, and in fact, despite of leading the game up to the 7th minute of the match, and finally Arsenal back to the court and of course leveled the scoreboard. He is just thinking about the defense as the defenders were not good in such way. That's why they considered those goals. And now he's just speaking on the weakness of some of the players on his squad. He has used to say that they are so better, but for the today's match, things were not as he planned. Of course, he trained his players for too long to counter Arsenal, who is better right now, but things were not good in one way or another, and he is just